Hey everyone! Welcome back. Today we're going to solve this expression. Most learners look at it like this. They do 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Then again 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. And multiply. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Sounds simple. But that answer is incorrect. We follow the order of operations also known as PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. In this expression we have 1 subtraction, 1 multiplication and 1 parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have 1 subtraction. So, according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis and after this we have 1 multiplication and 1 subtraction. Now according to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have 1 minus 3 which gives us negative 2. So, 1 minus 3 then times negative 2. In this step, first we have to do multiplication because in PEMDAS multiplication comes before subtraction. So, minus 3 times minus 2 gives us positive 6. So, we have 1 plus 6 which equals to 7. So, correct answer is 7. Comment if you got it. Subscribe now to IQ Surge and keep your brain getting smarter every day.